She's a pain in the ass, right?
No, I'm not. Wait, you.
Baby, no go somewhere else, go, baby.
You're supposed to start. I'm sure water upon him and then the baby does hang out her. Sauce.
Yeah, tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce?
Yeah.
Oh, you know you make me float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope. 'Cause you.
Hey cuties, hey newbies, welcome back to the vlog. If you are new here, my name is Ken Too Cute. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And welcome, guys. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate the love and the support. I appreciate all of it. I really need you guys to share the video. Share it. Like the video, guys. Please. Thank you. Anyway, I just took my lunchtime. I don't normally do, but I took it today to go see my doctor because my breathing has just been off to me. To me, it's weird. I know I gained some weight, but I don't think I gained that much weight from a breathing like that off. You understand? Like, I don't. Even right now, me a talk, I feel like I feel catch breath. Like, I'm in a walk up the hill. I'm not doing anything. Why am I gasping for freaking air like me underwater? Yeah, I constantly have to be filling my lungs. Constantly. I don't know if I'm explaining it right, but something ain't right. Okay? So I'm gonna go see the doctor. See what's up with that. And I'm just gonna do my regular checkup at the same time. You know? Yeah. So that's what's going on with me today. What's going on with you guys? Everybody okay? Everybody good? Guys, I rest yesterday. Trust me. You me telling the last vlog say I'm not gonna do anything this Sunday. I'm gonna take off at every job. Every single job I take off of yesterday and sleep because I have not been sleeping at all. Every chance me get me a edit. Every chance me get me a make content. It's like work, content, edit. Work, content, edit, and it's a lot of work. I remember it's 2 jobs I do. So it's just been a lot, and I've been tired, so tired, and I could see it in my face. Oh my god. Them baggy when I have underneath my eye right now. Well, not right now. They're not. It's like that sleep yesterday and last night did some good. Yeah, they're not gone completely, but yeah, they look way better than they did a couple days ago. But I'm not stop because I'm off a grind. I'm off a grind and grind and grind for the whole job where I make money. And this will so start make money. So start. Y'all don't worry. I'll be getting by my AdSense soon and everything gonna be alright. Okay? It's gonna be worth it in the future. Yeah. Is this a park? I think so. Are you going? You going in there? Okay. I think this is too small for my van. I'm gonna lick off my van side if I park there, so. Okay guys, let's go. what's good. From Saturday I cook and dirty plate in the sink. Should I be mad? But I just not understand. From Saturday, dirty plate still in the sink. And I think when me cooking, I clean down the kitchen when I cook. So whatever leave like way take out out now for wash dirty plate. Excuse my language. Crazy. Just crazy. I don't understand. But I'm gonna wash it because it drives me crazy. It would drive me crazy. I don't know about nobody else. I'm gonna try to manage the madness right now. So I'm gonna take care of this and then I'm gonna try get some food to eat. I don't know what I'm gonna eat, but I'm hungry. Hey guys, isn't it so cool that things upgrade so much now that when you got a doctor fee, you know, your gynecologist, they don't have to be up inside the private parts anymore. I love that. I love that. They just give two little swab or whatever and be like, swab the less up, put it in that, swab that, put it in that. You know, your body just have to swab themselves. I mean, if you don't want to be honest, that's your business, but I love that because it's crazy opening up in front of somebody where you hardly know, you know, where you hardly know. Even if they're not your primary care doctor, still, it's weird for me. So, I like the upgrade. I love the upgrade. Yeah. Swab it, give them, gamble it. But anyway, guys, I'm going to take care of these dishes and then you're going to figure out when you're going to eat. If you reach this far in the vlog, please like the video. Because we be forgetting to like, comment, and all that stuff. Alright? Oh, I need some water. I'm thirsty. That is good. Whew. So guys, I'm going to clean the bathroom, then I'm going to come back and show you. Oh, I'm going to turn my stewed peas in a soup. It sounds weird, but I feel like I'm going to drink some soup and I'm not cook none. Plus, I have the stewed peas, so all I have to do is like add one noodle and some water to it. And it's good. That's what I do. Hey cuties, I miss you guys. I have not spoken to you guys from when I go get mad about the house dirty. Never remember. Monday? I'm gonna talk to him from Monday to that Wednesday. I'm getting off work right now. I just didn't have anything to do. After I finish cleaning the bathroom, I go to bed and then I just go lie down. I didn't even make that dinner that evening. I went straight to lie down, edit a little bit, and then relax. And then yesterday, I did absolutely nothing but came to work, went home, did the same thing again. Today, I not do nothing the same way, but I just say, my Affy, take up the camera and do something. I have to do something. So, I'm getting off work early today, actually. And then, I don't really have nothing to do. Maybe I go home and cook something today. I am hungry and there's no fresh food in the house. All of the house are overnight food. Stew peas done. Done. Me frightened. Listen, I see the pot in the fridge and like, enough stew peas there, man. Cause the pot big and it's in the fridge. So I'm like, stew peas is there, I'm sure. Cause ain't no way nobody ever put that big ass pot in the fridge with nothing. When me take out the pot yesterday, and be like, alright, I'm gonna make the little soup now. Hey, my love. Why may I tell you, nothing in that pot, one little bit of something. So the pot, yeah, so the little something in that corner. I'm like, them seriously? Them penny are serious. They couldn't share it out, no, like a plate and wash the pot. No. No, everybody run from that. Somebody just take it out. Do what I do and wash it up. To keep my own sanity. You know what I mean? But anyway, I'm about to. I have 2 callaloo in my fridge, in my cabinet. I feel like I want to eat some callaloo. Yeah, I don't want nothing heavy to eat. Because listen, I have a date tomorrow night. I have a smooth date tomorrow night. I'm trying to look snatch. Okay? I'm trying to look cute. You see this here? I don't know what am I going to do with this for a date night. Not Zaddy in town. Listen to me. I'm kidding. But yeah, I do have a date tomorrow. So I'm trying to figure out what to do with this head. And then me go and go cook some callaloo. A canned callaloo, you know. So when I cook canned callaloo, I like to add like a pop chow or something to it to give it like a crunch. Because them cook the hell out of the callaloo. Them cook the life out of it, man. Oh, you know, I can cook with the callaloo. I can buy a piece of chicken back. Piece of chicken back would be perfect. Sir, go on. Yeah. When I figure it out, I get back to you. I couldn't know when I figure out. Alright, guys. I will see y'all in a minute. I think I could turn here. Can I? Where are you going, sucker? I'm heading home. I just call one hairdresser girl and ask her if me can come get me ear wash and press. And she said she will come to my house because our sink she a move and she have to put in a sink and some. So, me run go home now and get my ear wash and silk wrap tight down, or maybe like put some setters in it and tie it down for tomorrow for my hot date. Yes. What the heck is that? So cuties, I have been waiting on this girl from 2 o'clock when we reach home. She keep telling me that she'll come. I know she can't reach her. I saw 6 o'clock now. So wash the ear and do everything already. So I'm just gonna try. I don't know how, but I'm gonna try for like press it, not press it, cause me not have no pressing comb. But me go what you call it? Me go thing dry it and then set it up, rod it, cause I the only way that me will get little straightness tonight for tomorrow. So this girl, I can't deal with people. I would have seen with you just a feed what me did I did too. You see, this is what me get for miss me appointment. Alright, I'm gonna try it. Do my best. I'm sure no one go on. Alright. Guys, I can't bother. It has stressed me out. At 5:48 now, I remember it was like 5 o'clock when we start. And the only thing I got done was like 2. I don't know why this thing straight. Sir, go now. Yeah, it's too much, man. It's too much for freaking rod point ear or curl or whatever they want to call it. It's too much. I can't bother. So, me go to the hairdresser with the Albany. Hopefully she's there and she can just wrap them for me. I keep saying wrap. Put set at night. What do you call it? Set at the ear. We don't know. So frustrated right now. You know how long me try to set the ear? Even know. I swear to God. Ear is just not my. It's just not. Me just can't do nothing when it come on to ear. But anyway, I'm gonna go see if she did it and PR. Hopefully not $100 she a charge. If set some freaking 8, cause that's crazy. I should have taken these things off my face. My favorite pig. How does it feel? Oh God, Lord, please make sure they hear. They're on the second in. Let's go. Oh, go on. Evelyn. Can you set me here for me? Can you set me here for me? Set, yeah. I wash it and they try to do it, but it give me too much problem here, man. Can't do it. So, may I get it done? Sleep. The may have a break?
Oh, I get the more sleep my sleep because my item I get coffee.
Yeah. I get them at what do call it place? Burlington.
Burlington coffee.
Burlington has some nice one. The one in the Copacabana. So guys, you gotta try to show no what go on, but she move too fast, my love. She moved too fast, but I got it done and I also got it cut. She said the reason why it's like that is because the ear needs to cut like every 3 months, and if you don't cut it then it get thin, and when it get thin, it's like basically it a cut itself. So when the ear fall out like that, it a tell us say, you need to cut me now, or I'm gonna cut myself. So I guess that's something be happening. So I guess that's what was happening with the ear white to fall out. So she cut it and wrap it. And guess what? Only for $30. That's what I'm talking about. $30. And she did all of that. And me give her $50, but at $30 she say. You see, so me talk about these people where them a need to be so expensive. Some of them just thief. And look on the woman big shop. The hell? I see me a tough on my face now. I have to go with it to take it off. But anyway, cuties, I will see you guys when I get in. Maybe I cook, maybe I don't cook. If I cook, pick it up back. If not, then I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow when I'm going to work. Because I think I'm going to. Oh, my ear set. My ear is set. I probably could go somewhere tonight. Like later. Bye. I thought he was. Is he having babies? It look like him a baby can move like him stomach. And normally them so hyper, you know, him not see me a come and still there so. Alright, we are set for run. Cause this not safe at all. Hey. Jesus. Oh my god, I'm scared. For real, I'm scared. Come on, jump out and run. Cause this is door you take so long for home. Unless me have to run another front. No, but what if me going to wait for rest of the night? What happen there front? Cause if my mother take me and me say me, I go away for the rest of the night. Me not come back. Excuse me. Me not come back round here so come confront no raccoon in the middle of the night. So I'm going to find a parking out there so. Alright, let's go. Guys, it don't look like something about to cook nothing. The time? 8:38. I'm cooking shit. So I'm gonna pack up back them here. I'm gonna put them in the fridge. I'm gonna come home and still in my bag, you know. Home at the end up by turkey neck. Never better by the, they call it cold foot. So I just buy 2 turkey neck. And I go curry them there. But I can't deal with it tonight. I don't really need head space at all. So I'm gonna put them in the fridge. I put them, no, I can't put them on the bottom. I'm not put them tomorrow either. Because tomorrow I won't be here. You know, I should have seasoned them there. I should have seasoned them and put them in the fridge. That's what I should have done. But nevertheless, buy one plant now, by the time I ready it not spoil. Keep it on the counter. I think it's best. We keep it on the counter. Put them in the fridge. Tonight is $3 night. See me I go with my head. See we. I don't care about the hot girl when they're around the sun. Me in a business with no hot girl. So me I go. I'll get ready. I say, nearly broke my finger in a while ago. Crazy. But anyway, yeah. This is the look. It's sweatsuit from Fashion Nova. Would you call this a sweatsuit? 2-piece from Fashion Nova. Bag, Shein. Slippers, Shein. Jewelry, Shein. Jewelry. All the jewelry them Shein. Yeah. That is it. Cute. Simple. Yeah. Let's go. Instead of jewelry, yeah. Thank God I didn't front my park. I don't know. Who? You know, go walk around the back. To that something there tonight. What may I look for? I don't need nothing. I'm done. Get over here. Every time I come through the front, I'm afraid. Because the way my address pronounced from this house, yeah. Oh, it feels like it's about to rain. Yo. Hope by the time I come back here that thing leave my parking spot. Can I go like a film? Or fear, whatever it is. Alright guys, see you guys in the club. I'ma see you in the club. Bottle full of dub, activities and what do you want? This one more. No, the one you want more.
And me my drink, take your money. Yo, Roman. Oh, you want more money? How much more? 20 more. You want more? 20 more. I'll wrap on the wire. 5, 6, what's that? 6, 9, 40. 30 money. More. Yeah, go.
Hey guys, I said me I talk to you and the camera just shut down. I say it's like a mind tell me this morning say for walk with me. My new card, my new SD card, because I just know this camera is about to fall out. I have 6 hours left on it and I don't understand why it now give me the 6 hours. It keep on a cut off. But me there start chat to you all long. Unless you said the damn sitting cut off. I don't even know which part of the conversation I'm gonna get. But it is what it is. I'm heading to the dentist right now. Because I have a 4:30 appointment. It's an appointment. I have a 4:30 appointment. And it's now 3:35. And I'm about to go get that done. Then go home. Guys, I don't like how my ear are dry. My ear are dry. My curly. Like when I put the rods them in it, I want it come out smooth and straight. You know them way there? So it look like when I done the dentist, I have to go grow at the girl. Go make she dry it. Because it never dry properly. So I think I gotta go back to her, let her dry it, press it, and then wrap it. And me tie it, and then when I'm ready, me set and never work out at all. Bex. Where's my orthodontist? My phone is dying. 29 minutes. What the? Why? Why? Jesus Christ, bro. 30 minutes to reach this. So think I should take this off because the phone not charge fast enough. We are 30 now, my love. Alright, let's go.
Would you like that? Pretty. And the navy?
Hi. Hold on. Lagay here dito.
He said go to 3 to 3.
No. Lower right here, so lower left.
Okay. Oh, right here. Okay.
So class 3 this side.
What size?
Class 2. Class 3 left side.
No, what size?
Oh, same cord.
Quarter. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Class 2 right. Class 2 left.
And then you're doing PC 5 to 5, right? Or yeah, 5 to 5.
5 to 5?
Smile.
It's getting there, right?
This is Dr. Trey, the best orthodontist ever.
Sweetie, can you take out so I can go floss? I normally take them out and...
I'm just going to have you put these out for me. You're not allergic to latex, right?
No.
Okay.
Those are the same one I always get, right?
Yeah, the red back.
Yeah.
So on the right side, you're gonna do from your second to last tooth to the canine, and the left side is the opposite. So you're gonna do the second to last on top, and the canine on the bottom. So just opposite.
Okay.
Okay. And then you're gonna come back in 4 weeks.
4 weeks?
Yeah.
Gotcha. So from here to here, and then this one from here to here.
Yep.
Got you.
Respect.
Guys, Now my mouth hurt. Got blue. Blue is pretty. Blue want my teeth look white. But anyway, I'm done. I always choose not to eat on the day when me know some I come do this thing. And then I'll be dead from, but no. I got my date tonight, so I ain't eating nothing until then. But no, I don't need to eat. Shit, I forget. Oh, I gotta go fix my hair. Oh my God. Alright. We're going to Albany Avenue. Go see if we can press that area. I put that picture on my mirror so I can blush when somebody says your name. The weirdest thing happened a while ago when the doctor take off, when the dentist take off the wire them. It literally feel like all of my teeth them loose. Just like it's like I could have got some and pick out the teeth them one. I couldn't wait for them put back the wire to the teeth feel so weird. But she said it's normal because everything I move, everything I shift. Even the teeth other day, my mega teeth, yes sir, you know the teeth and I mega, it's now to the side. Yes. I'm excited for these teeth. If y'all saw my teeth before, if one of the see my teeth them before, they'll be like, wait, what at me yourself? If I'm not happy for nothing, I'm happy say, I can fix my teeth them, yo. Trust me. I used to hate my teeth so bad. So bad, no matter how people tell me I'm smile pretty. Or my this, my that. Them tell them I feel bad. Because you know you have messed up teeth and then that's the first thing they're like, oh, you have a beautiful smile. Like, shut up. You know that's a lie. You know you're just trying to get me to feel good about myself. Which I did appreciate, but I know you lying. But now me can actually bite. I can actually feel the top and my bottom row locking together. That's crazy. The top row was out here. I love that for me. I'm excited. Each time I got a dentist and see something new happen with my mouth, I'm like, yes, girl, yes. So proud of that. I need to take these things up. Alright, now I'll take up them box though, this because the garbage pan now take them up, I don't understand. So weird. I forgot to get ready, but I can't bother with that right now, yeah, man. I get ready to go about my business.
Have you had feta before?
No.
Okay, no. Put it down.
and take a bite of it. Take a small bite of it. Really small. You like it?
No.
That's why you don't like it at all?
No.
That's why I wanted you to make sure that before you go.
Oh, wow.
It's an acquired taste.
Oh, my God. No way.
Give it to me. Is it any?
Ooh, that. It's spicy too. I like that.
You like it? Mm-hmm. Yeah?
Yeah.
This is marinara.
Ah.
I thought Jamaicans like hot food.
No, not.
No, temperature. They like
Fuck off. I didn't know I had curse that first night she met me.
How you doing, my friend? Excellent to see you. How's everything? Hey, what's up, boss? Don't worry about the door up there.
Thank you, you too. Pretty. That looks so good.
What was that, a seizure? You had a seizure?
You guys drink. Yeah, a little bit of pineapple. Thank you.
She's a pain in the ass, right?
No, I'm not. With you. You say I'm just a friend. Why? Why? The one night me go out on a date, Miss Ann Flo, she feel like self pop up. Just literally pop up. Messed up my whole outfit. Like, in a real life, you know, guys, me not... Cuties, me not lie to you, me not exaggerate. Literally mess up my whole outfit. It's like, we gotta go home. Let's go. The party done. Crazy. Crazy situation. Because why? That don't make no sense to me. I'm not tired. But I was sure I want to do something. The fuck say? First of all, I didn't want to... I was late. I don't want to see that. It crazy if you just go out every night by yourself and nothing not happen. And then the one night you choose to go out with somebody and Flo decide for this, oh, I'm here, baby, I'm here. And then guess what? The one night you choose to wear white. So me go outside a while ago. Brought down the box them out there. Hopefully the garbage pan take it up tomorrow, because I guess them not take out the box them, the TV box them left them out the last week Friday. So I'm hoping me breaking it down since night them out take it up. So the freaking I never put an eyelash to half come off it. My nose have one little, you don't see that? Right in here, so. You don't like when I never slapped on my nose, sir. My nose kinda yet. What's going on? I don't like that. I mean, tell you the old age, you just be a foolish something to your body. All type of things where you don't know about. Because what is that? What is that? I don't know. I'm here to say December the 6th, I'm gonna be freaking 49. 49. But 15 a minute to blood clean. Oh Jesus. That's crazy for 750. My mom was just 50 the other day. So, make it old and I'm gonna enjoy life. Like, I don't even. I'm never busy people want to say. Oh, who no one said this. Me not care. I'm gonna enjoy my life. The little bit what me have left because the whole of my young days just gone doing shit. My best time in America I when me just come here. And that waste I work. Just I work. It's a slave up my life. So slave up my life. I can remember one day I go work. I can remember one day I go work. I couldn't even talk. I'm telling me I work at Sherrington Hotel. I couldn't even talk. Told me sick. My voice gone completely. Literally, you can't hear nothing. I saw me I talk to the manager. You know what the manager do? Go downstairs and get me a tea and bring it back. Come give me a tea and say, drink the tea here. And then tell me a clean room out right to dinner, man. And me I tell her, say, the only thing she could have do, I go downstairs and bring me a cup of tea and tell me something for drink it. She never say, Kedisha, go home, go rest, take 2 days, relax your body. Them time they, me not used to snow, me not used to the cold, and it f me up, it mess up my whole body, everything. And me I work hard because me love clean. So me used to clean. When me done clean them room there, the people, them wonder, I walk one. But I'm just saying, right, like, the manager could have said to me, say, go home, go take a break, go relax yourself. No, they make you walk out your life. You feel me? But, and the minute you're sick to the point where you can't go back, them replace you. They replace you so fast. They replace you so fast, and that's how you make you know, say, I'm done. I'm not here working my ass off for nobody no more. I'm not doing that anymore. Maybe when I wash my face, then I will come out because them stuck, my love. Them stuck. I will never work my ass off for none of them again. Even if I feel good, me I call out. That's how much I get used to American rules and law right now. If I not feel good, me I call out. Because They don't give a shit about you. They really don't care about you. At the end of the day. We come here 2018. And then it's 2025 now. But there, what that, 8 years? I never take a train yet. I never go New York yet, really. I never go Manhattan yet. I never go the Empire State Building yet. I never do nothing. I've never really done anything. Never. I just stay here and work. Pay bills, pay bills. Like, I'm done with that shit. I'm over it and I'm just gonna just try. And me not even business. Fuck credit too. Fuck the. I don't want to say fuck credit because guess what? I like paying my bills, so I'm not fucking credit. No. I bet you guys are like, she's drunk. And yeah, I probably am. But I'm never a stupid drunk. Never. Guys, I'm so sorry to be talking. Neither you never. I see you. Looking like now. Okay, so let me do up and down this. So tired, guys. Oh, I bet I'm tired from the back because whoa, bit. How am I supposed to tie this now in life? Like in a real life. How? Okay, so is this even? It's anyway, I'm take it, it make sense. So I have to go down. So I have to come. Guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here, but I will let you guys see whatever this turned out to be tomorrow. Because I don't know if I tie this. I don't know if I tie this. I'm tired and drunk and frost and I'm going to my bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Bye, cuties. Oh my God. Bye. Bye, guys.